I got the girlies at the front like yeah. I got the brothers on the side like yeah. Even the haters at the back are like
yeah, like that, guys. So I'm gonna teach you how to do the 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 bridges of skate. I'm gonna teach you the tricks in a tour skate, and that's it, the tour skate, and then let's do it and very fast so that you can wait for a while so I can play this so fast. But I think I have many pills to do this because not cheat. So this is finger working. I'll do like that. That's my wrong. So sorry, guys. So sorry. So let's start again. I will need the ollie. Ollie. I will make an ollie here. Or you can do nollie manual by do like that, and this only very fast. You need to do it very fast, and then you need to get it in like that. So let's do it the nollie manual. Side. Oh sorry, nollie manual. Hey, no, not that. Wait, let's do it here. So wait, nollie. Oh, I can nollie manual. Nollie. Yeah. So that's the nollie manual, and this is the lazy way. And then I want to do first is a kickflip, heel flip, dolphin, like that, and then a kickflip, yeah, like that, hard flip, and then make right, and do the oh, and then play with your two fingers. So it's like cool. And then go like that, and a heel flip is jump and then go to the right. So I can do it slowly, but I want to teach you, so I can do my best to do that. And like that, you see, like that. That's the yeah. I'm gonna show you the, and then I do like that. Yeah, but I can do it so very slow. So sorry, guys. And then the kick flip, you will go to left, and then left. Wait, left, and like that. Kick flip. Dolphin. Oh, sorry. I mean like then. Oh, sorry, guys, again. And like that. Oh. So if you can be a pro by doing it, practicing, focus, doing anything that you know that is good for ice skaters. Oh, and then I'll show you the jump, and then the riding in grid, and then make like that. So that's good. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, and if you have any comment below. Thanks for watching.